Here you guys can see this is Crush 1000 spike carrier detector. The signal received, sell trade is open, waiting for spike. The stop loss is 3 candle, as you guys can now. Always set this stop loss on 3 candles manually and wait for a spike. Once the spike appears, make profit and exit or hold for 3 candles. Maybe there's more spikes. So this is how actually the system works. To check the accuracy in front of you guys, we open the sell trade on Crush 1000 and waiting for a spike. Look here guys. Look here guys. This is on a big spike which is showing the accuracy of system. So if you guys want to get it, check above the video Telegram username, chat with us, we are here to help you. Thanks for watching, best of luck guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.